Your brain is programmed to stay poor. Here's how to reprogram it in 60 seconds. Your parents lied to you about money, and it's keeping you broke. Stanford research shows 80% of financial failure comes from one invisible force: your subconscious money beliefs. Here's the one belief keeping you poor. Poor mindset says, money is scarce. Rich people are lucky. I'm not good with money. Wealth mindset says, money is abundant. Rich people solve problems. I'm learning every day. Same facts, different lens, different life. Catch yourself saying, I can't afford that. Immediately ask, how can I afford that? One question. Entire mindset shift. Your brain will start finding solutions instead of excuses. What money lie did your parents teach you? Comment below. Let's break these chains together. Subscribe for tomorrow's 60-second secret at 8 a.m. Your wealth story starts now.